Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are just stumbling on my channel for the very first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel. What I do on this channel is I discuss interesting legal issues, legal topics. I encourage people from the scriptures, and I also do jokes on this channel. Today I'll be discussing about the legal issues revolving around the revocation of the banking license of Heritage Bank. On the 3rd of June 2024, the Central Bank of Nigeria, pursuant to Section 12 of Bank and Other Financial Institutions Act 2020, revoked the banking license of Heritage Bank due to the bank's inability to improve its financial performance. Many questions have arisen from the revocation of the banking license of Heritage Bank. Many people are asking what happened to the deposits of customers in Heritage Bank. Will they be able to recover their funds, their deposits? What I would like you to know is that when a bank or a banking license of a bank is revoked by CBN, CBN is statutorily empowered to appoint Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation (NDIC) as a liquidator to that bank, and CBN has exercised this power by appointing NDIC as a liquidator to Heritage Bank. Now you may want to ask me, who is a liquidator? A liquidator is someone that has the legal authority to act on behalf of a company to sell the company's assets in a bid to realize or to raise funds for various purposes such as debt repayment. NDIC has come out to say that they are going to be paying the sum of 5 million naira, which is the insured deposit of Heritage Bank. And you may want to ask, what happened to those customers that have more than 5 million naira? NDIC has said that they are going to repay those customers after the assets of Heritage Bank have been realized. What does it mean? That is, all the debts, everything about the bank are sold and money, funds coming, then they'll be able to pay those customers that have funds in excess of 5 million naira. Now you may want to ask me, what is the steps, or what are the steps involved in getting deposits? Like, how do customers go about reclaiming their money from Heritage Bank? It's very simple. The first thing is that NDIC have to give notice, 3-month notice of payment to customers. And this notice can be given by either sending an email to the last known address of the customer or publishing in at least 2 national dailies or electronic media houses of the intention to repay customers. When this has been done, the customer is expected to supply proof of ownership to that account, and this can be done by providing maybe your banking statement, for instance, your BVN, your valid means of identification like your international passports, your NIN and the likes. You have to submit these for the sole purpose of determining that you are actually a depositor with Heritage Bank. Now, Heritage Bank, under the law, has to make disbursement or repayment within 30 days after its appointment as liquidator. So once Heritage Bank has been appointed as liquidator, it has the duty to make the payment of that insured deposit within 30 days. Now, you may want to ask me, what happens where the customer fails to claim the deposit? Where a customer fails to claim a deposit within 6 years after notice has been given. Remember, I said that NDIC is expected to give 3 months notice, where that notice has been given within 6 years after that notice has been given, and the customer fails to claim the money, that money is deemed to be forfeited to NDIC, and that customer cannot maintain any action in court against NDIC for the repayment of that deposit. So after 6 years, if you don't do anything to claim your money within 6 years after notice has been given, your money is forfeited. Now you may want to ask me, what happened in a situation where all the assets of the company have been sold, the debt of the bank has been recovered, and the money is not enough to settle the customer? What happened? According to the provisions of NDIC Act, Section 57 provides that shareholders and directors are personally liable. So the directors of the bank have the duty to run around to make sure that all depositors are paid their money. So if you have a bank, if you maintain an account with Heritage Bank, now you can relax. You know your position under the law. If you find this video useful, please do all to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share with your family and friends. To my existing subscribers, thank you all for your support always. I'm very grateful. Till I come your way next time, I remain my humble self, Jacob Jonah, alias Street Lawyer. Bye for now.